Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to use increase intent and decrease intent inside the cell on your for the text inside the cell on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use increase intent and decrease intent in your Microsoft Excel web. For an example, in here I just type as MA and IN AT and ON. So I just need to have an increase intent. I just want to use increase intent and decrease intent for this. So first of all, click on the cell. Okay. Now you will see all this option here, directly here near the font in alignment section. So this is decrease intent and this option is increase intent. So click this, you can see it's moving. The same process. I have a 3 click here and I just going to have a 4 click here. So you can see it's look like this, a slanting or sliding. So if you just need to make it this to move to the first position, you just use your decrease intent. So this is how you just use increase intent and decrease intent on your Microsoft Excel at your web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.